I'm Max Keiser. Time now to turn to crypto investor Carl Gray, who has amassed a fortune of over $100 million in the crypto space. Time now to turn to Bitcoin Jesus, otherwise known as Roger Ver. He's an angel investor in many, many Bitcoin companies, including Blockchain.info, BitPay, Kraken, and more. Time now to turn to Silicon Beach legend Brock Pierce, an angel investor in many companies in the Bitcoin, crypto, and disintermediation space. Time now to go to New York City and speak with Barry Silbert, founder of Second Market, and on which he recently launched the Bitcoin Investment Trust. Time now to turn to very early Bitcoin adopter Eric Voorhees, CEO of Shapeshift.io. Time now to turn to Charles Hoskinson. He's a cryptographer and one of the guys behind a new crypto phenomenon, Ethereum. Time now to turn to Andreas Antonopoulos, the go-to man for all things Bitcoin and crypto. Time now to turn to Tony Galippi of BitPay. Time now to turn to crowdfunding pioneer Simon Dixon, founder of one of the first equity crowdfunding platforms in the world, BnkToTheFuture.com.
I mean, you're a former investment banker, a trader as well. Would you recommend investors out there to buy Bitcoin?
Well, I believe that there's a lot of untapped value. I think that the innovation of programmable money has got significantly further to go. You have to remember that over the years now, Bitcoin is a 6 years experiment, as it were. We've had now approximately $500 million of venture capital invested in startups and businesses that are building on top of this Bitcoin network. So now what we're seeing is a lot of that money coming through in building applications that make Bitcoin easy for people to use. As I said, Bitcoin is still at where internet was in 1995, for geeks, hard to understand. But what we're going to see in 2015 is much, much more applications that make people use Bitcoin without even knowing that they're using Bitcoin, because there's significant improvements in what Bitcoin actually does, and entrepreneurs are developing all those applications right now.